value you seek will begin to become stronger very soon. Yes, you will help the ones who are worried all the time. They will be fearful, full of anxiety, and you will be there to guide them. Yes, road ahead will be full of guidance, but you must be free inside to hear it. People will not know what to do. Yes, you will have a solid vibration that they can follow. Hearing us will be your compass, and you will be their guide. Only when all people align with this frequency will life start to develop into a life that begins with love, not greed. Yes, positive ways to experience a new world that you will all begin to create as you now understand that everything is one. Yes, vibration will be gentle, not coarse. Yes, void will be filled with love. Progress will be based in working together to develop a strong bond going in the same direction on a bigger frequency than ever before. We are with you all and ready to be guiding you through this world of vibrational truths that will free you all. Imagine having a conversation with those who willingly listen to you without judgment, encouraging you to follow your dreams, guide you toward your victories, see you through all your challenges and successes, bring out the best in you, and always tell you the truth. You can handle the truth, right? This will be one of your challenges as you get to know yourself better. This describes what you can expect from the conversations you will be having with your spirit guides and angels in your coaching session with me and your team of guides. This is about experiencing how to tune into your guides so conversations with them can begin to flow naturally. When this starts, you will feel a transition happening within yourself, realigning the connection you used to have with them when these conversations were as natural as breathing. It will feel like a reunion, but you must be open to it. Having expectations will dilute your experience. Being open will allow the conversation with your guides to flow naturally.